Today, you will learn how to print crop marks in Word. Many people see crop marks on their screen in Word and assume they will automatically print. However, the crop marks that Word displays through its built-in setting are only visual guides for editing and page layout. These on-screen crop marks are not designed to print on the final document. This is one of the most common points of confusion for beginners. If your goal is to print visible crop marks, you will need to create them manually in your document. One simple method is to use the Shapes feature in Word. Go to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and choose the Line tool. Draw small lines at each corner of the page where you want the crop marks to appear. Repeat this process for all 4 corners. Since these are actual lines in the document, they will print along with your content. After adding the crop marks, go to File and select Print. Before printing, use Print Preview to check that the crop marks are visible and positioned correctly. This step is important because it helps you avoid wasting paper and ink. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.